What's up, weirdos? What's going on? All right, guys, we got some important stuff to look at this morning. Very, very bearish Bitcoin chart. I'm going to show you something that's going to knock your socks off, guys. We got some Jasmy stuff we're going to throw into the mix. We got the fries that'll cross your eyes. We got the shakes that'll make you quake. Let's get into the bubbles, guys, see what's going on around the altcoin market. We got a sea of red out there. What am I going to be doing today? Well, isn't it obvious? I'm going to be buying stuff, right? That's what we do, baby. That's what we do. We DCA on the red days. That's what I'm going to do. Not financial advice. You do you, boo-boo, but I know what I'm doing. So as we see, like I said, guys, some great DC opportunities. Gitcoin's looking good. Clearpool, Moonwell, XDB, Pith, Jasmy, Cookie, TARS AI, and more. Let's zoom out a little bit. Turbo's looking juicy. Virtuals, after a nice pump yesterday, is correcting today. Nice entry point there. Ondo is a great pickup right now. Stronghold, probably not the greatest pickup right now, as it is up 132% on the month. Maybe wait on that one. Same thing with Aerodrome. It has been pumping nonstop lately. Even though they're red today, they might not be the best opportunities out there. Songbird is a great entry point right now, in my opinion. AIOZ, Telcoin, Render, Velodrome, everything looks good. Let's go even broader, guys. Let's go to the top 100. So, yeah, across the board, guys. Algorand, again, Virtuals, Dog with Hat, Radium, Fartcoin, Pump.fun, and so much more, guys. Some great DC opportunities out there. Caspa, Jupiter, as I said, Ethereum even. Absolutely, guys. Aptos, and so much more. Check it out, guys. Don't miss this opportunity. You might not get many more of them. Okay, let's go look at Ethereum. I wanted to pull up the Ethereum chart. Let me just cue it up here, guys. Let's go have a looky-loo at ETH. What do we have? What do you say? What do you know? Ethereum. We will get into the Bitcoin chart, guys, so bear with me on that. I would like to see Ethereum climb back above this blue line here, support at $4,332. We're not far from it right now. We're only about $30 off, not even $30, $27 away or something like that. So I could see us climbing back up here before we got 7 hours and 21 minutes from the time I'm recording this video until the daily candle close. So we will likely see us climb back above there. As you can see, it was a significant level back here of resistance. So let's get, for the close, let's get back above there and build a base of support right on that level before the next leg up. That would be absolutely juicy. That's what you want to see, guys. That's what you want to see. All right, let's get into the Jasmy stuff, and then I'm going to show you the most bearish Bitcoin chart. Or, it's not looking good, guys. So stick around for it, okay? You're not going to want to miss it. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins, guys, okay? Simply use our link down below. Get a 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet. Fingerprint technology. No one can hack or take your crypto, even if they get a hold of your biometric wallet, guys. You can swap, take profits right on your Decent wallet, and you can even stake without your crypto ever leaving your custody. So all through the bear market, you can stake your Circle USDC on your Decent wallet, gaining interest all the live long day. Check it out today, guys. Once again, not your keys, not your coins. I have 5 of them. Everyone's going to need self-custody, my friends. Keep your crypto safe. All right, so let's go over to some Jasmy Junction news. What do we have here? So what do we got? According to the roadmap for Junction, the mainnet is expected to launch in September, which is next month. Hoping not to be disappointed, we look forward to updates at the upcoming conference that we know at Nexus Core Night. Junction is hosting that, right? So here we are, Q2, July to September. Jasmy app alpha version released. Product launch for insurance agents. Number 3, government and sports collaboration starts. We are looking for some announcements for government and sports team partnerships and collaborations. Most importantly, right here, guys, Junction mainnet and DEX support for Jasmy goes live. The goal is 10,000 nodes and 10 validators. Now, we have a whole bunch of node operators over on the Patreon. We got in on this right away. So That's how you get that passive income, baby. But yes, so we are looking at the Junction mainnet and the DEX support for Jasmy to go live in September at the latest, because we're no longer in Q3 after that. So keep an eye out for that, guys. Don't sleep on Jasmy. This is going to be very, very bigly. Now, we got a clip here from friend of the channel, content creator, community contributor, NeoXtrix. Check him out over on X, guys. My friend, your friend, you know him, you love him. Check out this clip, and then we'll get into the bearish Bitcoin chart.
This initiative primarily aims at revitalizing Japanese regions by enabling the creation of accounts for local currencies and point systems, accessible through various applications, which constitute its first objective. Indeed, Jasmy and Japan are addressing a simple yet crucial problem. Much of the money leaves the regions, impoverishing local businesses and weakening the social fabric. To address this, they are introducing local currencies, unique to each region, which will circulate only within those areas. Unlike the yen, issued by the Bank of Japan and usable everywhere, these currencies are created by local governments, associations, companies, or organizations for a specific purpose, revitalizing the economy, strengthening the community, and improving citizens' well-being. They aim to create new forms of value that go beyond the mere economic aspect of the yen, fostering civic pride and local engagement. Local currencies are designed to have a clear and limited use. They cannot be accumulated unnecessarily and serve primarily to support local activities. This limitation allows money or efforts to be directed towards specific goals, which is impossible with the yen. Two main approaches are used. The first involves issuing a local currency that can be used in affiliated stores, funded by cash, bank cards, transfers, or public subsidies. This targeted circulation creates a genuine local economic engine. The second approach relies on a point system, awarded for social or community actions, volunteering, initiatives for sustainable development, health activities, or digital contributions to local life. These points reward actions that may not have direct economic value, but enrich the community and residents' well-being. The introduction of these local currencies will strengthen the economic and social dynamics of the regions. Participating businesses will be able to promote themselves on dedicated platforms. With ready-to-use applications, residents and businesses will quickly adopt the system and track the impact of their actions, thus enhancing motivation and engagement. Through this initiative, Jasmy and Japan are creating a technology-enhanced local economy where money and civic engagement circulate to generate new value and revitalize the regions.
You know, the funny thing about Jasmy and Junction, guys, is when they go quiet for a long period of time, immediately after that, they end up hitting us with just right after left after right after left. They just come out with big announcement after big announcement. We are moving into September. We got the Junction mainnet launching with their DEX. We got the PDL coming, guys. We're gonna get hit with so many rights. We're gonna be begging them for a left. Okay, I'm telling you right now. We're gonna get announcement after announcement. Jasmy's gonna start pumping like crazy, and people are gonna be saying, "What the heck's going on? I wish I had bought more Jasmy." So do not sleep on Jasmy. Not financial advice, guys. You got to do what you got to do. But let's go look at this Bitcoin chart. Look at this setup, guys. Look at this structure. Very, very bearish. We are putting in lower highs constantly. Lower highs constantly here. That is not a good structure. We continue. We are below the 50-day continually here, all across here. We've been below it since about January, and we've continued to stay below. We got above it briefly right here, and then right here. But for the most part, guys, very, very bearish structure here that we have going on Bitcoin right now. This does not look good. And if this makes you feel bearish, guys, if this makes you feel like crap, I got to get out, right? What am I going to do? It looks like we're going down, because we are. You're seeing it drop consistently here. Well, I have news for you, my friends, because if you're feeling bearish right now, that is an inverted chart. You were looking at it upside down. We have been putting in higher highs, and we have been above the 50-day, 200-day for a long time. So if that chart made you feel bearish, there's no reason you should not feel bullish right now. Now, I did that to you. I clickbaited you on that because some of you are being ridiculous with your bearishness. We are at and around all-time highs on Bitcoin, and you're acting like we are in the $70,000 range. Get it together, guys. We are not looking bearish on Bitcoin at all. We have not topped at all. So make sure you guys don't let the sentiment in the market weigh you down. Have you sensed any euphoria in the market at all in the last 6 months? No. We haven't even come close to the euphoric phases yet. So smarten up, guys, okay? Everything looks fantastic. Sorry I had to clickbait you there, but some people are being ridiculous with their bearishness. And I had to show you, if you're bearish on that chart, you have no reason why you shouldn't be bullish on it inverted. So anyway, guys, if you need support from a community, if you're new to crypto, if you've never been through a bull run before, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help guide you through this space with your profits intact, help you front run the market, get out before everybody else. If you don't know how to identify where liquidity is in the market, there's a very strong possibility that your sell orders are not going to fill when you try to exit the market. So jump aboard today, guys. Get all the training and education that you need. Book your one-on-one coaching calls. We're live every day. We got a new tier over there where we do swing trades. If you want to get in on swing trades to try to beef up your bags that way as well, that is also an option. That and so much more. Microcap gems. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. The link to the Patreon is down in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.